Advent calendar game, but I'm excited to play. I've never done an Advent calendar before, and I fell down the YouTube rabbit hole of watching Advent calendar unboxing videos, and I decided to get in the game. This is my first Advent calendar. It's from Rituals, which is a home body kind of company. It has diffusers and bath soaps and bath foams and oils and skincare products. I first discovered Rituals with my daughter, who's here. She's going to be my helping hand.
Hi.
We were in Paris during Christmas of 2019, and we were just walking, and Jordan, my daughter, actually saw the store and said, wow, that place looks really cool. Let's go in, because it was very woodsy and sort of Asian decor on the inside. We went inside, and they just could not have been nicer. They couldn't have been lovelier. They were great, right?
Yeah.
They let us try every single product, and we ended up stocking up on some of their really cool bath foams, which we still have some. Almost a year later, we got some of the bath foams, as well as some of the lotions and lots of body oil samples. So this was my first Advent calendar purchase ever. Of course, I'm not waiting until December to open it up. I'm going to do a full unboxing video here. It cost $74.50 on rituals.com. It claims that that is 45% less than the retail value of all of the items. I don't really care. I just think it's fun to see what comes in the box. It does come in this really fun packaging. Looks kind of like a beautiful brownstone. It's big, you know, it's almost, geez, probably 1.5 feet tall by 1.5 feet, probably 2 feet tall by 1.5 feet wide. But let's just dive in and see what it has. Of course, with Advent calendars, you always want the full size product, right? Not little sample sizes. So let's see what they have. Here is number one. Holy cow. There we go. Oh, okay. Oh, and it says little fun things. Right here, it says little fun things. Tranquil Tuesday. Light this candle for a moment of pure tranquility with the warming scent of ancient sage. This is the Savage Garden candle. What do you think? Smell.
It smells very good. It's purple.
Ooh, it does. Very wintry smell. Ooh, that's nice.
It's purple.
It's purple. Okay. Okay, now we're looking for number two. And number two is all the way down here. Jordan's going to help me do this. Go ahead. Pop. Maybe go that way. A merry meeting of Eastern spices and Western heritage with this limited Amsterdam collection foaming shower gel. This is really what we fell in love with Rituals, was their foaming shower gels. The scents are beautiful, and they're so fun because they foam up. They really help you clean. Ooh, wow, smell this.
That actually smells very good.
It's you need to be on camera here, right? She needs to be on camera with me here. Smells amazing. They have a fun little foam dispenser that comes up like a floral foam. There are carvings in the foam dispenser, and when you open it, it comes up like a flower. That was our first real big Rituals purchase, which we fell in love with. Okay, do you see number three?
Yes, it's right here.
Okay. Push. You gotta be strong, don't you?
This is
Oh! Enhance the quality of your sleep with the Ritual of Jing Pillow Mist. Oh, I love a pillow mist. I hope it's... Ooh,
It smells very good.
What do you think?
Oh, that actually smells very, very good.
Very good. Okay, number four. So we've got a candle, shower foam, and pillow mist. I'm not even going to try and pull that out. Repair your hair while you dream of Christmas miracles with the Elixir Collection Overnight Hydrating Hair Mask. I feel like hair masks and things are really popular. Here's number five. The Ritual of Aveda. Stay balanced during the hectic holidays with the Ritual of Aveda Hand Balm. Now, my hands are terribly dry. Let's see. Ooh, it's a pretty subtle scent.
Can I smell?
It's nice. Not bad. Not bad. Okay, so far I'm digging this. I can take this to the office because I sit indoors all day under the air conditioning.
And
Number six. Numero seis. 6 right there. Push.
these are hard to get open.
I know. They really are hard to open. That's the one thing I'll
It's
say.
because they want them to be compact. Oh, and this is another candle.
Okay. Light this intensely aromatic candle to infuse your living space with positive and sparkling energy.
It smells very good.
Let's see. Ooh, green cardamom that's what the scent is, green cardamom, and it smells almost powdery. Really nice there. Okay, number 7.
Number 7 is right.
Oh, right there. It's a horizontal one. There you go. Go ahead. Let your inner sparkle shine through with a spritz of the new Ritual of Holy body mist. What do you think?
It smells very good. It smells like the one that I have in my bathroom.
Oh, it does. Like your bath soap that you have, that we still have from our trip to Paris. Okay, number 8 is down here in the corner. Oh, we've had this one before. Treat your skin with the magic touch of nourishing the Ritual of Sakura body cream. This is the actual first product that we experienced. We received this in Paris. We actually bought this. They gave us this as a gift. It's the organic rice milk and cherry blossom. And this is the lotion that we had. Come smell this, Jordan. It's the lotion that we had in Paris.
It smells like lavender.
You think it smells like lavender?
Yeah.
I don't think it smells like lavender, but to each her own. Okay, it's number 8. Number 9. Number 9 is right here.
That's cool.
Start your day with the empowered cooling effects of the Ritual of Samurai hair and body wash. What's the scent on this?
It looks very cool.
Organic bamboo and Japanese mint. I love mint. Oh wow, that is refreshing. Come here, smell this.
Wow, that's very cool.
That's a refreshing mint scent, and I love mint or eucalyptus in the morning because I think it really helps invigorate you when you wake up. Okay, number 10. Right there. Gotta push. Oh, this is obviously for me. These are ampules. Give your complexion a smoother appearance and a radiant look with saffron flower and holy lotus. This is the Ritual of Namaste Anti-Aging Ampule Booster. Needless to say, the little one doesn't need it. I do. I bet this is one of those things where you kind of pop off and yeah, it's exactly what it is. See, so you break this and then you put it all over your face. So, okay, I can use that because I need all the anti-aging benefits I can get. Number 11 is down here, and this is the only place where they have the Rituals logo on the box is on number 11.
I've actually never seen it before.
Oh, really? This is take a moment to rebalance with the sweet scent of Indian rose and the soothing effects of golden honey. So this is the Ritual of Aveda shower oil. Oh, very nice. Let's see. Pretty subtle scent here. Yes, no, maybe so?
Yeah. My mom's going to be so happy after this.
Why do you say that, Jordan? Say it on camera so everyone can hear you. I'm going to be so happy.
My mom's going to be so happy after this.
Why?
Because you get all this stuff.
Okay. Winter gloves. Treat yourself with this scrub glove for soft and silky smooth skin. Pair it with yesterday's gift for the ultimate spa at home experience. Okay, I like that. So it says pair the glove with the body oil, and then you just put this on the glove, put it on, and then you rub it all over your body for a little exfoliation. Okay, I'm totally down with that. Number 13, Jordan. I will take all the candles I can get. I love candles. Enjoy the essence and aroma of the holiday season when you light this private collection wild fig candle. How does that one smell?
Pretty good.
This is a richer scent. This is probably one of the richest scents that they've had in the little collection so far.
I like how the candle part is purple.
Okay, number 14. Yep, right here. Muscles. A radiant duo. Enjoy the merry and positive vibes of the Ritual of Karma bath and shower gel no matter where you are. Okay, this is kind of a sample size I would get in a hotel, right? I mean, this is what I would steal from the hotel room if I was staying in a hotel. Haven't done many hotels in the era of coronavirus, but that's okay. Didn't pay much for this at all. Didn't pay much for this at all. Only paid $74 for it. 74 being a relative amount. I know. But, ooh, number 15. Okay, nail file. I can always use a nail file, but okay. 16, Jordan. It's a nail file. I don't need to read it. Sorry. Here you go. 16 is up there. What's this? Give your guests a luxurious experience their entire visit with the Ritual of Sakura soap bar. Again, this is a hotel toiletry. Okay. I'm not hating. I'm not loving, but I'm not hating. Number 17. Right here. Jordan, I'll get it from here. Oh, it's another Ampule. So 7 days apart, they do the Ampule. I got one for day 10, one for day 17. So it's a hint, you know. do the anti-aging product again. Okay, 18. Oh, what's this? Don't forget our miracle wipes when you travel for Christmas or home. Okay, so these are just little cleansing wipes that you use to take off your makeup. I don't necessarily think these work very well for me because I wear a lot of makeup and a lot of spackles. So, I mean, it's a great little travel thing. Not doing a lot of traveling, but I'll take it. 19. This is the foaming shower gel Ritual of Karma. Brings happiness and positive vibes for body and soul. Let's see what the scent is. This is Holy Lotus and Organic White Tea. Very soapy scent there.
That smells very good.
You like it? Mm-hmm. Okay. Number 19. Number 20. 20. I bet it's a candle. What do you think? Bet it's a candle. I say candle.
I don't say, I say the white candle.
She got it right. It's another white candle. These are hard to get out of the box. Transform your home into a fragrant haven of precious oud and warm oriental essences and celebrate joy and wishes of happiness. Black oud mini candle.
That smells like mint.
Very woodsy, in my opinion. Very, very woodsy. Okay, 20, 21, right down there. More foam. This is the gentlest foaming shower gel you've ever experienced.
I like the Japanese stuff.
Oh yeah, your path to inner peace. This is Sacred Lotus and Jojoba. It's a little more powdery as well. It's nice.
It smells like strawberries. And marshmallows.
Okay, 21, 22. The Ritual of the Happy Buddha. This is a shower scrub. Love a shower scrub. So it's our second sort of scrubbing thing. Oh, this is very citrusy. What is the scent here? Yeah. Sweet orange and cedarwood. I like the scrub. I like the glove scrub with the oil and this because I don't think you can exfoliate enough. Exfoliating is so important to youthful skin. 22, 23, Jordan.
Here's a blue one.
It's another body cream. Hammam body cream. Here, I got it. Well, eucalyptus and rosemary. Ooh, I actually like those scents. Let's see. I'll let you open the last one, Jordan. Well, it was 24 is right there.
Yes, ma'am. Wait, oh.
Right here. This is really subtle. This is Soul Uplifting Body Cream. Pretty subtle there. And last but not least, number 24 is more shower gel. It's the Hammam Foaming Shower Gel, which matches the body cream that I just got on day 23. So there you have it. Nothing that is like going to blow you away. I like all of the foaming shower gels. I like the body mist. I like the pillow spray for sleep. Love the candles because I'm a candle person. I'll be curious to try the little anti-aging ampules and things of that nature. Overall, this was just fine. There are certainly items in here that I could gift for little stocking stuffers or as gift exchanges at the office, things of that nature for Secret Santas. I think I could make a cute little gift basket of Secret Santa type stuff for colleagues at the office. Great Hanukkah gift as well if you want to do 8 days of luxury and beauty for someone. Not a bad price point at all. $74.50. I ordered this on Sunday. It was delivered on a Wednesday. Great delivery process. Overall, I'm pretty pleased with this purchase. Again, nothing that blows me away. But at the end of the day, you're probably not going to get too blown away with an advent calendar. It's still just a lot of fun. I think probably the most fun of this thing is opening it up and seeing what's in there. What do you think, Jordan?
I think this is the coolest thing because I've never really experienced that.
You think the glove is the coolest thing?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I know what to get her for Christmas now. So at the end of the day, probably the most fun of this advent calendar for me is opening it up and checking it out. And of course, opening it up with my daughter, Jordan, and just seeing what's in here. Obviously, there are a lot of good memories associated with this brand because we discovered it in Paris. And as I'm taping this during coronavirus lockdown, there are no trips to Paris in my future. So this brings back a lot of good memories. As I take out the pillow mist, love a good pillow mist. Going to be excited to try this tonight. I think some of these items will definitely end up being gifts for some friends, which is just fine because I think these are great gifts. The shower gels, the shower foams, and the lotions, they're great little stocking stuffer gifts. And I'm looking forward to sharing them with some friends. What is your favorite advent calendar? I would love to know. Is there one you got in the past or one you've purchased this year that you're absolutely in love with? Let me know down below in the comments section. Thanks so much for spending some time watching this video with me. I'll link to all the details about this particular advent calendar in the comments section, as well as some other advent calendars that have been very interesting and very exciting to watch here on YouTube and see other people unbox. Take care, everyone. Please stay safe, stay healthy, and I hope you have a great holiday season full of surprises and delights for you and your family. Bye-bye.